Hi, welcome to Yummy Cooking Hyderabadi YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. How to make tasty beetroot ka halwa, Sankranti festive special. Play and learn about ingredients, instructions, and method. Please watch full video. Happy Sankranti 2024, easy and tasty beetroot halwa recipe. At home during festivals. Embark on a culinary journey with beetroot halwa. A tantalizing Indian dessert that seamlessly melds the earthy essence of beetroots with the opulent flavors of traditional halwa. This exquisite, sweet treat not only satiates your sweet cravings but also elevates your dessert repertoire with a dash of wholesome goodness. Beetroot halwa recipe. What sets beetroot halwa apart? Beetroot halwa, an indulgent creation originating from the Indian subcontinent, is renowned for its harmonious fusion of finely grated beetroots, sugar, ghee, and milk, all artfully simmered to perfection. The result is a luscious, velvety halwa boasting a captivating natural hue, uniting the natural sweetness of beetroots with the creamy decadence of traditional halwa. Essential ingredients for culinary alchemy: beetroots, vibrant and fresh, finely grated to set the vibrant tone, sugar, adding sweetness to your liking, ghee, infusing a golden richness and enhancing the overall texture, milk, full-fat milk lending a creamy consistency, cardamom, crushed pods or powder for a fragrant touch, nuts, almonds, cashews, and pistachios for a delightful crunch. A symphony of flavors. The recipe. Follow these straightforward steps to conjure up a batch of delectable beetroot halwa in the comfort of your kitchen. 1. Grate the beetroots. Peel and finely grate fresh beetroots, setting the vibrant tone for the halwa. 2. Cooking the beetroots. In a pan, luxuriate in the golden richness of ghee. Sauté the grated beetroots until cooked, the raw aroma fading into a symphony of flavors. A symphony of flavors. The recipe. 3. Add milk. Pour in the milk, letting the mixture simmer to a creamy consistency as beetroots absorb the richness. 4. Sweetening the deal. Introduce sugar to your liking, stirring continuously for even distribution of sweetness. 5. Infuse flavor with cardamom. Sprinkle crushed cardamom or cardamom powder, adding a fragrant depth to the flavor profile. 6. Nuts for crunch. Roast and finely chop almonds, cashews, and pistachios, introducing them for a delightful crunch. A symphony of flavors. The recipe. 5. Infuse flavor with cardamom. Sprinkle crushed cardamom or cardamom powder, adding a fragrant depth to the flavor profile. 6. Nuts for crunch. Roast and finely chop almonds, cashews, and pistachios, introducing them for a delightful crunch. 7. Final touch of ghee. Drizzle a bit of ghee, elevating richness and flavor to perfection. 8. Serve warm. Enjoy beetroot halwa at its finest when served warm, garnished with extra nuts for an irresistible visual and textural allure. A sweet affair with health. Beyond its captivating taste, beetroot halwa offers a plethora of health benefits, rich in nutrients. Beetroots deliver essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals, contributing to overall well-being. Antioxidant boost. The vibrant hue signifies a powerhouse of antioxidants, fortifying the immune system. Digestive aid. The fiber content in beetroots supports digestion and fosters a healthy gut. Elevate your dessert game with beetroot halwa, where taste meets nutrition in a symphony of culinary excellence. Thank you for watching full video. Please like, share, and comment. Tap the bell icon to get notified about all new cooking videos. Please subscribe my Yummy Cooking Hyderabadi YouTube channel. Bye for now. Have a nice day. Keep watching.